Why does the mind never feels calm anymore? Why do so many people feel anxious even when something is not clearly wrong? Overthinking before sleep and restlessness during the day and a mind that never switches off are no longer rare. It has become extremely common. Veda says the real reason is not weakness of the mind, but imbalance of the body. Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we talk about Ayurveda in simple, clear and balanced way. Today's topic is very important because anxiety and overthinking are silently affecting the people of all ages. Why anxiety is so common today? Earlier, anxiety was linked to major problems. Today's people feel anxious without any clear reason. Constant screen exposure, irregular sleep, mental pressure without a physical release, and continuous information overload keeps the mind active all the time. A tired mind naturally creates overthinking. The biggest myth about anxiety. Most people think anxiety is purely psychological. Veda explains that the mind never functions alone. It depends upon digestion, sleep, and nervous balance. When the body is disturbed, the mind cannot stay calm. Ayurveda's understanding of overthinking. According to Ayurveda, overthinking is linked to the imbalance of Vata. Vata governs the movement, including the movement of thoughts. Vata increases, thoughts becomes fast, focus reduces, and restlessness appears. Role of digestion and energy. Irregular meals, junk food, late dinners, and eating while you are stressed weakens the digestion. Weak digestion creates low energy, and the low energy makes the nervous system sensitive. Sensitive nervous system reacts excessively, leading to anxiety. Why rest and sleep don't feel refreshing? Many people sleep for hours, yet wake up feeling tired and anxious. Late nights, screen exposure, and mental stimulation before sleep prevents deep relaxation. Without a proper rest, the mind always remains alert, even at night. Why overthinking increases at night? Night time naturally increases Vata. And when the body is already imbalanced, thoughts becomes louder during silence. This is why overthinking is worst at night. Why forceful positivity do not work? Trying to force positive thoughts does not calm a disturbed nervous system. Ayurveda teaches that your balance comes first. When balance improves, the mind naturally slows down. Ayurveda's approach to calm mind. Ayurveda stabilizes the system rather than fixing the anxiety. Regular sleep routine, warm and simple meals, reduced screen time, physical movements, mental discipline help calm the nervous system. When the body feels safe, overthinking reduces automatically. Most important message. Anxiety is not your weakness. It is your body asking for balance. Understanding it reduces fear. Calmness is restored, not forced. If this video helps you to understand anxiety and overthinking better, share it with someone who may be silently struggling. For more videos on Ayurveda, health and balanced living, subscribe to this channel and take care of your health because a calm mind begins with a balanced body.